What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So, looking at my dividend portfolio, I'm almost at 150K. This is just one dividend portfolio. The other one I'm just messing around with monthly passive income. And with that one, I have some decisions to make. But with this dividend portfolio, it was a huge day, and I'm distributing my passive income into a Yieldmax ETF. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I try to post videos daily. I may try to squeeze one in tomorrow as well on Sunday. Smash that like button. Let's check out my passive income right now. So M1 Finance is usually a day behind, and I earned for this past week, actually in one day, $17.99 with QDTE, $8.82 with RDTE, $5.06 with Medtronic, $11.09 with XDTE, 22 cents with the Yieldmax Universe Fund Option Income ETFs. Again, I was a little bit late in making a payment, so I couldn't get it for this week. I made $409.28 with NVDY. The YMAG, I made 27 cents. The EPRT, I made $15.45. And Franklin Resources, I made $12.19. So I'm going to show you what I use that passive income for and which Yieldmax ETF I bought. I made a total of $480.37. Now I'm actually throwing it back in MSTY, the Yieldmax mstr option income strategy ETF. Now the Yieldmax ETFs are a huge risk. If you look at the Defiance ETFs, some of those weekly dividend ETFs appear to be already dropping in price. They did a reverse stock split, which was a problem, but this one seems okay so far, and I'm going to explain to you why I'm buying them. Yes, it's a risk. I can lose money. Am I willing to take a risk in them? Yes. So I'm going to show you why I bought MSTY. I used my passive income to buy MSTY. So I'm going to do a quick comparison with MSTY and the S&P 500. Now, this is a income ETF. Do not expect it to beat the S&P 500 long term. Reinvesting the dividends, maybe. That's not a guarantee. NVDY looks pretty good if you reinvest the dividends, if you threw in $10,000, but there's no guarantees with NVDY or MSTY, because they're very volatile ETFs. So I'm going to do a quick stock analysis with MSTR. So looking at MicroStrategy Inc., it's sitting at 212.59. The past 5 years, it's done extremely well against the S&P 500. They are incorporated in the United States. They provide business intelligence, mobile software, and cloud-based services. So, technology is kind of going crazy right now. So that's why they're going crazy right now. So again, they're doing well against the S&P 500. A lot of these Yieldmax ETFs correlate with the stocks that they follow. Now, they're not actual shares in them. They use synthetic calls. But I want to go over some trends, though, with the passive income with MSTY. Now, right now, on their website with the Yieldmax ETFs, the distribution rate is 75.01%. That's nice. Here's their distribution details. So 4/3/2024 is 412, 5/3/2024 is 252, 6/5/2024 is 303, 7/3/2024 it was 232, 8/6/2024 is 194, and then in 9/5/2024 is 185. Is there a guarantee that it'll jump up like crazy with the distribution per share? No. Now look at this, $4, $2, $3, $2, $1. So that's nice for passive income. It's not something that I'm going to find myself reliable with. But what if I use its passive income to buy dividend growth stocks? And then eventually I can enjoy that passive income with MSTY once I flip everything and use the dividends for my alternate source of income. I'm not calling my dividends an alternate source of income because I'm reinvesting. I'm not pocketing these dividends and redistributing things. What I can do is, if my dividend portfolio goes really big, is each month use this income from the Yieldmax ETFs, the individual ones, to fund my Fundrise dividend portfolio. So that's one thing that I have in mind in the future. I haven't forgot about Fundrise. And I want, I have a goal, $1,000 to $3,000 in monthly dividends and $2,000 to $4,000 a month in quarterly dividends. I think that's starting to get possible. I'm starting to realize that's a possibility. So I just wanted to go over a quick stock analysis, ETF comparison. Now again, MSTY, remember, it's not shares of MSTR, individual shares. It will not beat the S&P 500. MSTY ETF will not beat the S&P 500. Maybe reinvesting the dividends, maybe, but that's not a guarantee. Very volatile ETF. It's up and down. TSLY, I mean, it's up and down. Look at the volatility with that one. That one's way more volatile than MSTY. So I feel a little bit safer with MSTY right now versus TSLY. I'm hoping Tesla does well and it jumps up, then TSLY will be a little bit more desirable. But I absolutely love the passive income. And I cracked a joke that I've had some people, when I do collaborations, they attack me for investing in Yieldmax, but you invested $10,000 and reinvested your dividends with NVDY, you'd be in pretty good shape. And if you follow me on X, you would see my post. So I joke around and say, SCHD investors, NVDY says hi, because I can tell you there's a really nice return with NVDY so far, reinvesting the dividends. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I will try to squeeze in a video for you tomorrow. Take care, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money, so be aware and do your due diligence. It is best to seek a financial advisor for financial advice and a tax advisor for tax advice. Use them as a reference for financial advice or tax advice, not my YouTube channel or any of my posts on social media. As I emphasize this numerous times, this is my passive income journey. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. You can lose a lot of money if you invest, so just be aware when you do your due diligence. You guys take care and have a good one, and go Bucks, beat Oregon. And I know the Guardians play, but who cares? Go Bucks, beat Oregon.